We'll guide you through how to fix a black screen or a no signal output screen on your PS5. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video, and let's jump into this. So I just want to go over the really basic stuff and then we'll get into more fixes. But firstly, do just make sure your PS5 is properly connected to your TV. So make sure the HDMI cable is all the way connected. And then on your TV or monitor, make sure you've selected the correct source. So I've got a source button on my remote here, and when I click there, I have got different sources. So if you've selected the wrong source, that may be another reason why your PS5 may not be appearing on your monitor or TV. And of course, make sure your PS5 is starting as well. You'll know it's starting because it will light up and you'll hear it. If it isn't starting, then make sure it's all plugged in properly. So now that you've done that and it still isn't working, let's get into some fixes. So what we need to do is get into our PS5 Safe Mode. So firstly, just make sure your PS5 is completely shut down. To make sure your PS5 is fully shut down, just hold the power button and you'll hear it beep once, and then a few seconds later it'll beep again, and that means it's completely shut down if it was already turned on. So mine is shut down right now. And then what you want to do is just go and hold the power button, and you keep holding it, you'll hear that beep, keep holding it till you hear that second beep, and then let go. So like that, the second beep, and that means we're activating something called Safe Mode. What you'll need to do to then use your controller in Safe Mode is go and plug the controller in using the wire. So one end into the controller and the other end into the console, as you can see. And then all you need to do is press the PlayStation button like this, and we'll then get into Safe Mode. And what you want to do is go down to Change Video Output. You'll need to use the D-pad to move, by the way, as well. And then just go and press on X, and then press Change Resolution, and go and press OK. And then what we're going to do is try changing the resolution in case that is going to be the problem. Sometimes the resolution is stopping it from appearing on your TV, so just wait for it to restart. You'll then need to press the PlayStation button again on your controller, and then you can see these different resolutions. I recommend trying automatic first, and then what you can do is work your way through the other resolutions to then go and see if they work. So this has worked in this case, but if it hasn't worked, then go and completely shut down your PS5 by holding it so it shuts down, then go back into Safe Mode and try a different resolution. So work your way through those different resolutions. If that still hasn't worked, go back into Safe Mode, which I'll do now. And so the next method you can try is, I'm now back in Safe Mode, is what you will need to do is go and do a reset of your PS5. So you can go down to number 7 and press on Reset PS5. And it says if you reset your PS5, all users and all data will be deleted from your PS5. Are you sure you want to continue? Press yes. Just remember, everything will be deleted, but if you're getting a black screen, then it may be your only option. And if you use number 8, you'll actually need to go and put all the info on a USB drive. But if you just do number 7, you don't have to do that. And hopefully a full reset will go and fix your problem.